Hello, children. Today you are going to study a new lesson from your honeysuckle book, A Game of Chance. Have you ever won anything in a lucky dip or other such game of chance? Do you like such games? A Game of Chance is a story of a boy named Rashid and who describes what happened to him in the Eid fair. Every year there is a big fair in the village which runs for days. Rashid decided to visit the fair. His uncle agreed and took him to the fair with his worker. Rashid calls the worker as Bhaiya. During the visit to the fair, his uncle had some friends and uncle went away. Now Rashid was alone with the Bhaiya. Now Rashid started visiting the shops of the fair. There were shops for every item, pen, pencil to a buffet. He saw a lucky shop there. The lucky shop was like a gambling game. The tradesman was giving his visitor an option to pick 6 discs at 50 pies. There were articles like a watch, pen, pencil, combs, etc. These articles contained some numbers. If the sum of the discs matched with the article number, the shopkeeper was giving the visitor that article. Rashid saw that an old man came and got a wall clock for 15 rupees. After that, a boy came and also won a hefty sum of money by selling the one wristwatch, a fountain pen, and a tablecloth. Rashid was puzzled and decided to play the game. Instead of winning precious things, Rashid won 2 pencils and an ink bottle. The shopkeeper bought these items for 25 pies each and let the Rashid play the game. Rashid kept on trying and spent all the money. Now, with no money, Rashid felt disappointed and went back to the fair. He thought that all this depends on luck and he does not have that money. Soon his uncle arrived back and saw faded Rashid. Bhaiya told every incident. Uncle bought many things, fruits, chocolates for Rashid. Now Rashid was happy. All of them returned to the home. In the house, the uncle asked Rashid, "Do you know that shopkeeper tricked you?" Rashid replied, "It was not in my luck to get those articles." Uncle replied, "No, Rashid, it was not about the luck. That old man and the boy were friends of the shopkeeper. They lured the customer to play and lose. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. They wanted your money and they got it. Now forget about it and don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness." Moral of the story: we should think rationally. If a person is giving an article at a lower price, there may be some trick or reason behind it. Obey the elders and have self control over the desires. We must be cautious and alert in all situations, especially in a new surroundings. Prevents from getting tricked or facing any unpleasant situation. Glossary: occasion, some particular time. Tradesmen, people who have goods to sell. Tempt, persuade somebody to do something. Trifle, small or unimportant. Costly, expensive. Obliged, thankful. Thank you, children.